Hello and welcome to Preschool Plus book number 3. I am David and I will be your teacher. Today we will look at unit number 1, Baby Animals. This is on page 6 in your books. Before we begin, I'd like to ask you something. What will you be when you grow up? Will you be a singer, or maybe a police officer, or maybe will you be a superhero? Let's get started. In book number 2, we learned about animals. Now we will learn about baby animals. Look at this picture here. This animal. What is this animal? We call this animal a bear, and not just any bear, a polar bear. So, the question says, what will the baby bears be? Not what are they now, what will they be in the future? So this, what we see here, is a polar bear mom and her babies. So her babies will grow up to be big adult bears. Now let's go to the key words on page 8. Our first word is a very common animal found in many homes. They make great pets and very loyal companions. A small version, a very baby version, is called a puppy, but the puppy will grow up to be a dog. This next animal is one you probably know. We call the small version a kitten, and a kitten will grow up to become a cat. Our next animal is very fuzzy with big floppy ears. We call it a baby, a bunny, and a bunny will grow up to become a rabbit. This animal gives us meat and milk and leather that we use in our daily lives. The baby version we call a calf, and a calf will grow up to become a cow. This other animal gives us nice wool for nice warm clothes. It can also give us meat and milk, and it makes a nice meh. We call the baby a lamb, and a lamb will grow up to become a sheep. Finally, these animals are very wild animals. They are very strong, but we must be careful. We call a baby a cub, but a cub might grow up to be a bear or a lion. We could call it a bear cub or a lion cub. So let's go back and review what you remember. What is this animal here? Yes, this first one, the small one, is a puppy. And a puppy will grow up to become a dog. What about this animal? Do you remember? Yes, the small one we call a lamb. And a lamb will grow up to be a sheep. Now let's look over at the next page at the power words. This talks about how animals are born and how they grow. First, we start with, well, a baby puppy in this case, or a baby kitten, a baby cub, a baby calf. A baby puppy, yes, it needs to be born. It is born. Then, it will grow into a young puppy, to grow, to get bigger. And finally, it will become an adult dog. So first, a baby puppy is born, then it will grow into a young puppy. Finally, a young puppy will become an adult dog. So, let's go back to page 8 and ask and answer. What is it? What is it right here? It's a puppy. Remember, it is. When we say it very quickly, it is becomes it's. What is it? It is a puppy. It's a puppy. What will be? What will a puppy be? Do you remember? A puppy will grow up. A puppy will be a dog. Now let's look at the next page and read the sentences together. A baby puppy is born. A baby puppy will grow. Remember, will to use the future tense. It's growing right now, but yes, it will grow. It will be an adult dog. It is not an adult dog right now. Right now, it's a puppy, but it will be an adult dog. A baby cub is born. The cub will grow. It will become an adult bear. So, animals can have babies. Yes, to have babies. Baby animals become adult animals. Good job. Now let's turn the page and look at Learn Together on page 10. You might have noticed we've been using the words will and will be and will become. We've been using those a lot in this unit. All of those will be, will become, they all tell about the future, things that will happen in the future. Here's how it works. First, we have our subject. For example, a kitten, or maybe I, you, we, he. All of those are subjects. Then we add will. Now, the good news is will does not change. I will, you will, a kitten will, they will, it doesn't matter. Then we add be or become. And this also does not change. I will be, you will be, he will become, a kitten will become, we will be. In the future tense, this does not change. So, let's practice these together. The bunny will a rabbit. So, the bunny will be a rabbit, or the bunny will is a rabbit. What do you think? That's right. The bunny will be a rabbit. The calf will a cow. The calf will become a cow, or the calf will becomes a cow. That's right. The calf will become a cow. Let's do some more. Let's look at number 3. The cubs will lions. The cubs will be lions, or the cubs will are lions. What do you think? You got it. The cubs will be lions. Number 4. The lambs will sheep. The lambs will become sheep, or the lambs will becomes sheep. That's it. The lambs will become sheep. Now we need to answer the questions. How many puppies? Well, let's look at the picture here. Let's see. 1, 2. There are 2 puppies. Remember, here, this uses the present tense. There are 2 puppies. Let's see. What will they be? Aha! Now we're in the future tense. What will they be? They will be adult So, they will be adult cats, or they will be adult dogs. Which one is it? That's it. They will be adult dogs. Remember, a puppy will grow up to be a dog, so puppies will grow up to be dogs. Good work! Now let's look at the next page at Read Together. So let's review what we've learned. Can you name the baby animals? Let's see. A baby cat is a kitten. A kitten will grow and become a cat. A baby rabbit is a bunny. A bunny will grow and become a rabbit. A baby cow is a calf. A calf will be an adult cow. Or we could say a calf will grow and become an adult cow. A baby bear is a cub. A cub will be an adult bear. Or we could say a cub will grow and be an adult bear. Finally, a baby lion is also a cub. A cub will be an adult lion. Or we could say a cub will grow and become an adult lion. Now, remember, we have learned a lot of information today. So remember, there are many exercises and homework assignments in this unit. But I know you can do it. Good work today. Congratulations! We have finished Unit 1. Now remember the words and phrases that we have learned today. Puppy, dog, kitten, cat, and the other animals that we've looked at. Also, remember how we use will be and will become to talk about the future. And remember, will and become do not change. I will be, they will become, he will be, she will become. It doesn't change. Good work today, and I'll see you back here for Unit 2. Bye!